Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to export videos in After Effects. Okay, the first thing that you should do is simply go and select the start point that you want to render the video from. So here in my case, I will simply click on the B button in order to add the start point that I will start rendering from. And in order to set the endpoint, you want to press the End button. And now here, as you can see, I have highlighted this section right here. And now in order to export it, just go to the file on the top left side. Then you want to go and choose export. Then you want to go and click on add to render queue. And after that, we'll show you here these options. Simply click on best settings right here. Then you want to make sure that the quality is best, the resolution is full, and click on OK. After that, you want to go and click on H.264 and make sure that you have the format H.264. And for the format options, you just have to click on it. So here, as you can see, I have chosen the H.264. Then I'm going to click on format options, and he should make this option performance hardware encoding and choose the VPR1 pass and set the frame rate or the target bit rate to 15. The more you increase the bit rate, the better the quality, but also the higher the size of your video. So keep that in mind. After that, simply click on OK. And now you want to go and click on the output. Click on this option right here in order to choose the file that you want to render the video on, and choose also the name, type the name right here, then click on save, then hit the render button just right here. Once you click on render, it will start rendering and you can find it in the folder that you have actually chosen. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.